Hey, Shemai pawb, my name is Geraint Rhys and I am a musician and filmmaker from Swansea. The clip you're about to watch was taken from a performance I gave at the Glynn Vivian at the beginning of this year, before coronavirus had reduced our social mobility and social interaction. And it was such a pleasure and honour to play the space because it's somewhere I often visit just to walk around the galleries looking at the paintings, and to actually play there was something special, particularly because the acoustics are so amazing. On the night, the microphone in the PA system wasn't actually working, but that didn't pose any issue because the acoustics of the main hall were just incredible. So yeah, what you're about to watch now is a small clip taken from that evening, and I hope you enjoy. Yeah.
Taking the time to try to find yourself. Everywhere you look, you see somewhere else. Asking questions, but you don't know why. Future's in your hand, so give it a try. You got to pick it up, what you got to give it to go. Why? This poor Robson told me so. These are the times to tell you about. Until that day, I'm gonna start to feel alive. Happy isn't certain every time we play, but that doesn't mean we can have our day away. Where's our place on earth? Can we really make a difference in this old world? These are the times to tell you how you were young. Just take your time, be true to yourself, my son. I look in your eyes and I see hope, but until that sometimes a look is strong enough to be heard. These are the times to tell you about when you were young. Just take your time, be true to yourself, my son. I look in your eyes and I see hope. Until that day, I'm gonna try. Everybody wants to know all the places they want to go. You see, everybody wants to know all the places they want to go. You see, everybody wants to know. Everybody wants to know. crazy just singing to the roof.